Good morning, my dear. I hope you all are fine, my dear. Students, this is my 7th class. Today, I will be discussing on 3 topics. First one, sound troubleshooting. Troubleshooting of an application if running slow. And the third one, utilities program. So these 3 topics today I will discuss. So first one is sound troubleshooting. Now, whenever you want to listen or you want to get output from your computer, that is desktop or laptop, you must have to connect the output device. If it is the printer, then also you have to connect. If it is speaker, then also you have to connect. Now, first of all, I will discuss about the ports. See, you will be having the 3 ports, understood, at the back of your CPU. First one, second one, and the third one. This one will be green. You will see green. Sometimes you will see light. My mouse is stuck. Wait, green. Next one that you will see, that is pink. And the last one, that port that you will see, that will be light blue. Understood? Maybe blue or light blue, green or light green, and the pink. Now, these 3 ports have different meaning. Green one. Why we use the green one? This is called as line out. What is line out? That means with this you can connect your headphone, front speaker only to get the voice. If you want to listen song, then you have to use the green one. Next one, that is the pink one. This refers to your microphone. Like if you want to record your voice, then you have to connect your microphone with this one. The last one is blue. This is line in. Yes, if you want to give the signal, if suppose you are having any device which is playing the song, yes, that song to be inserted in your phone, in your smartphone, or sorry, in your laptop, and you want to get it line out from that, you can do it. So these 3 ports you will be getting, yes, at the back panel of your desktop. Now, one by one I am going to discuss. Now, students, if suppose I'm not getting sound, listen, my dear. First, what is my problem? I'm not getting sound from my desktop. What do you have to do? First, you take your microphone and headphone, connect it. First, you have to see whether sound is coming through that jack or not. Whatever I speak, that is recorded or not. If it is well, then what it means? Problem is from your external speaker. Understood? But if then also you find, yes, my speaker is not working, even a headphone I cannot listen, yes, from my laptop or desktop, then also I cannot listen. Understood? Then what will be the problem, my dear? Maybe you have your, you can see, you have your taskbar. At the right side of the taskbar, you will see the speaker, this one. When you will click on a speaker, if maybe, sorry, if maybe this one is muted, your, yes, speaker will not work. So first, this situation, yes, you have to face. If then also, if this one is okay, then whichever the software that you are using, if you are using the other software for playing the video, listening the song, then in that software you have to check whether my audio and play video player, this one sound is turned on or not. If it is off, then make it on. Then also you have the problem, then you must have to see the cable. You know, nowadays, whatever the speaker that you are getting, yes, from the market, that speaker has what? The two wire, one connected to, yes, the line out, that is to your green port, and other one, yes, to the microphone port. But if you are willing only to listen, understood, then only you have to use the green one. And one more USB you will get, that is for the supply, that you have to connect it to the USB port. So such cables you have to check one by one. If then also your problem is there, then the last option is you must have to take your external speaker for the repairing one. Got it? Now, the next topic is troubleshooting software problems. Listen, students, whenever this you are having the software problem, yes, what the work you have to do, wait, yes. Now, see, students, what the troubleshooting that you have to do it. Sometimes when I'm working on my PC and automatically my PC gets hanged. Hang means what? Not responding. Then you have to take two steps. One, you have to press Control, Alt, and Del. Again, I'm writing it so that you can know. You have to press Control plus Alt plus Del. These three keys you have to press simultaneously. Understood? And once you will press these three keys, what will happen? You will be getting the task manager. That window will appear on the screen. If suppose your application, other applications are working well, but suppose my MS Word is not responding. So in that case, you will be having a list of running applications and some applications which are and not responding, that also it will show it. So which one is not responding, that you will select it and click on the end task. But I'm not going to explain just now, because when I will use Control Alt and Delete, maybe I will be disconnected with you. Understood? So this is practical. I cannot show you, yes, on my laptop, because it means that I'm going to close my application. Now, then also your problem is not solved. Then all the running applications that you have to close it, and then you have to go for hard booting. Then you will ask, sir, what is hard booting? Okay, I have a term hard booting. What is hard booting? If suppose you tried your best, then also your application is not closing, then you must have to press the power button of your CPU. Not only one time, keep pressing that one for 5 to 10 seconds. Once you will press that power button for 5 to 10 seconds, your system will be switched off and you can restart it. But there will be more chances of data loss because we are closing our system. Yes, what? Suddenly. Think one example I am giving you. You are having 100-meter race. Okay. Now you all are running. Understood? Now suddenly, if stone you will strike with the stone, your leg strike with the stone, what will happen? Yes, you will be fallen because at that time you cannot balance yourself because your motion, yes, that motion cannot control yourself and you will fall. Same way, if your computer is running and suddenly when you will switch off your system, what will happen? Whichever the data that you have in an opening one, that data will be lost and there will be chances of Windows corrupt. Maybe your Windows operating system can be corrupted. So you have to be very, very careful. Okay. Now suppose if your application is running slow. Yes, when you are opening your application, it takes 10-15 seconds. There can be chances of virus also. So you have to go for your antivirus software to scan all your files that is available in your PC, my dear. Understood? But I'm not talking about the viruses, my dear. If suppose everything is well, then also your application is running slowly. Then what you will have to do? First, check for available updates. Now, you have to check whether your OS is updated or not. Even in your smartphone, time to time, you are suggested to update your apps. So here also, you have to update your Windows operating system. Then you can ask, sir, how I can update my Windows operating system? It's a simple, my dear. Yes, what do you have to do? You have to go to here, type here to search. In this one, you have to write check for update. Check for update. It has come. The first one, click on that. Now, here you see, my window is not updated. You see, my dear, it is showing a yes precaution mark that my Windows update is not done by me. So I have to download it and then I have to install. Understood? What will happen? Yes, my Windows which was not updated or some files which were corrupted, that all are going to be repaired. Maybe your system now, earlier it was slow, maybe now it will be faster, my dear. Now, now next part that I am talking about the utilities, but one more service that I have to discuss to you that I haven't explained to you. Now, students, the next part is the utility software. First of all, you have to know, we are using the utility software. Why? For enhancing the performance of our computer. Yes, it can be using what? Antivirus software. It can be disk defragmentation. It can be, yes, deletion of files, unnecessary files. Understood? So if you want, it can be your security, encryption and description. So there are many topics, my dear, that are related with the utility software. So main four I'm going to discuss, my dear. First one, improving the performance of computer. Second, provide security from virus, manage disk space, and free disk space on hard disk. So these four topics mainly I will discuss, my dear. So first of all, check for viruses. How you can check? I already said, if your system is slow, maybe your system contains a virus, or maybe your window is not updated. But Windows is updated, then also your system is slow. Must have scanning of all your files using antivirus software. Now, it will give you all the report. Both those whose files are infected, that all list of files will be shown in front of you. Next one, free space on hard disk. Listen, my dear, this is the main problem that exists, that shows low memory or low storage area. Now, listen, friend, whenever you are saving the file, please keep it in mind. You must try to save this file not in the C drive. C drive is totally reserved only for the operating system files and maybe applications file. But when you are saving the data, then try to save this data in another drive, or you can save this data in external drives. Maybe your USB hard disk, maybe your pen drive. Understood? If you will give these all loads to C drive, your system will be very, very slow. And a time will come when it will show your hard disk is full. So at least you must have spaces. Now, just now you can see there should be at least 200 or 500 MB space of free hard disk space on your system. Not only that, it should be more, my dear. Understood? Otherwise, you will be facing problem. This type of error report will be showing in your notification area. Now, how you can know? How you can know how much space that is left in my PC? I'm going to show you. You see, first you go to the PC, this PC. Now, I'm having only one drive because I work only with C drive. And if I have to store my data, then I go for my external hard disk. Understood? Now, you will say, sir, you are having only, yes, 237 GB hard disk. You can ask, actually, my dear, this is not your hard disk. This is SSD, solid state drive, which has accessing power more than your simple hard disk drive. Even I will start my PC, it will take hardly 4 or 5 seconds to load the operating system. So I have to check it. So click the right mouse button and go to properties. Now here you can see, yes, a circular disk. Now you can see this blue color. This shows that this much data are already used in your hard disk. And the rest one, these all are free, my dear. So by that also you can know it, that how much space I have in my, how much space I have in my hard disk. Now, yes, by this also you can know, my dear, by this also you can know it. What is my capacity of hard disk, and what is my used space, and what is my unused space. Got it? Now, there is disk cleanup. You want your unnecessary files, yes, that are going to be deleted, like temporary files, that all you can click on disk cleanup. I'm not going to do it. Yes, you can do, but there is no harm in your PC, my dear. Now, delete unused files and programs. Students, which files which are not necessary, not used by you, please delete, because it will take unnecessary space, yes, in your hard disk. And one more thing, whenever you are deleting these files, it goes to the recycle bin. That all files also to be deleted, my dear. Don't think that it will not have space. No, it has space, my dear, because your recycle bin shares some space from your hard disk. So if you will, it will be full, then problem will exist. So you must have to clear those all things from the recycle bin. Now, remove temporary files. How you can remove your temporary file? I'm giving you the steps. First, you have to go to the search box, and here you have to write control panel. Now you will be having network and sharing. Now here you will have internet option. Click on internet option. Now see, my dear, here you will be having, delete. So all cookies files, temporary files to be deleted. Click on delete one. Now here all the files, website cookies files, temporary files, history files, that all you can select and click on delete button. If you do this one, your performance of your computer will be faster. You can use your internet, yes, and search the website quickly. Got it? So remove. Now this defragmentation, you know why we will use this defragmentation? You know, sometimes when we are saving the file, suppose this is the disk. Okay. These are the sectors, these are the tracks. You know, sometimes when we are saving the file, yes, sometimes the computer leave spaces and save this file here. So you want to remove these gaps between the files, then you must have to use this defragmentation. Understood? Just now you can see. Yes, the information in our files change frequently. This results in gap or spaces in the file stored in the memory, that is in the hard disk. So if you want to remove these gaps, you must have to use this defragmentation. This is also your utility software. How you will use? Just click here and directly you write this defragmentation. Yes, you see it has come. Now you can apply it. I'm not going to apply because it can. But when you are using this defragmentation, it can take half an hour, or it can take 1 hour. So you have to be patient, my dear. Otherwise, if you will be in a hurry and you will think, no, my system is hanged, then the problem will exist. Now remove unused program. Which program that are not of any use, that you must have to remove it. How you will remove it, I'm going to say you. First, you will go to the control panel. Okay. Now there you will be having program and features. Here it is. Now, which is your unnecessary program, that you select it and click on uninstall. Got it? Okay. Disable unused program services. Yes, that also, you know, you have to go to control panel. Now there you will be having administrative tools. Now I want that some applications to be stopped. Yes, that services I don't want. So for that you will click on services, these services. Now these are running, you can stop it. Which one is running, you can stop it. Understood? Here you can stop, start, stop, you can do it. Understood? So these work you can do yourself. I want that in my background, this program should not work. It should be stopped. Then stop it. It should be running. Yes, like antivirus software must be in running mode. You cannot stop it. If you will stop it, my dear, maybe virus can attack. So these were the topics, my dear. I hope you have understood these all topics. So yes, all the topics I have explained, my dear. Thank you, my